Wala, nakakatawa, no? After how many months that I pay out my pension, until now, maybe they are pretended that they didn't receive my files, and they close the case. I'm not forcing you. Honest is, I need to relax and waiting. I will give you a time to pay. Pero sa totoo lang, inuubos niyo yung pasensya ko eh. Hinihintay niyo na ipatulpo ko kayo. Sabi daw nila guys, may kaso daw ako sa Denmark kasi nagyayaw-yaw ako ng Denmark. Well, really? Nung ginawa nyo akong baliw ng maraming taon, naalala nyo? Nung pinapoison nyo ako, 2023, at pinakaladkad sa pulis, naalala nyo rin ba? Ilang beses nyo ako pinakaladkad sa pulis papunta sa mental hospital kahit na wala akong tuliling sa utak. Do you remember? Kaso yun, it's a case, yeah. Embarrassing, yeah. Bullying, yes. Harassment, completed, yes. Complete. And attempt murder, yeah. Do you remember that, Denmark? What case are you doing to me? Why I need to move away from your country? It's like plotning po dance. Plotning po, they are known. Minis ka bilgana slow my iyel, yeah. For English is, I need to escape from Denmark to Philippines because someone want to kill me in Denmark. Do you remember that? And why my eyes is dark? It because of the chemical that you put in my water. Yeah. How nice. Very nice. They want that, you said to Denmark that people in Denmark is nice. Yeah, nice like that. Yeah, nice like that. Yeah. And then make interview to crazy people too. And then after a while, they are not crazy. Yeah. Very good medicine. But the normal person like me from Philippines since 2002, nag-work akong au pair. Nung 2009, ginawa nila akong abnormal, yeah. Kung saan mayroon akong anak, inspired. Ayun ang nila. Sa pamamagitan ng ganitong income, like this, you know what is income, right? Oh, it's good income, yeah. Ang ulol nyo nga pala sa le nyo. Le nyo yan. Tandaan nyo yung sinisira nyong babae, I'm a decent woman, yeah. I'll never collect guy to have a lot of experience in earth, yeah. Kaya etot nyo nga pala. Kung gusto nyo mag-ingay sa tenga, kung magpatayan kayo, wala akong pakialam sa inyo. As long na hindi nyo ako pinipisting yawa sa gabi, wala akong pakialam sa inyo, Denmark. I'm moving away. 1,000 miles away. And I move on. But remember my money, okay? My pension. I fight for it in legal way. Yeah. You know why, Denmark? I overpay. I paid my pension already. And you need to do is transfer because I'm out to your country. Do you understand? You cannot understand? Of course, you cannot understand if I say in Danish or English. But if I say Tagalog, you entertain iyot. Yeah, ito.